is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We're here on location today. We're over at Berge Chevrolet in Norristown here, and we have a car we got to do here for a customer. Actually, the customer's purchasing the car. They want to make sure it's right before they pick it up. So I'll show you what we have here. It's a 2019 Chevy Volt. So you can see in the fender here, you got a little dent there, something right by the charge port here. So it's a little tight access in there. You can see, I don't want to get zapped, but we'll be able to get in there and clean that up for him. And then you also see in the door, right on that body line, there's some stuff right there. So we're going to take care of that. And I just noticed a little tiny dent on this back door. I don't know if you could see that, but we'll get going on this. It shouldn't be too bad. Like I said, the one on the fender there might be a little difficult to work out, but I think we'll be able to make this car look good for the customer, so they're happy with it. So let's get going and we'll take you through the process. Okay, we're finished up with the fender. It came out really nice. As you saw, I started glue pulling the deepness out. It was tight in there, you know, like around that charge port, there was another panel that was close to it. So I glue pulled a lot of the deepness out. A lot of it came out with that. And then we got in there with some whale tails and some knife blades and just tweaked everything else out. It came out good. I'll show you the results here. So you can see it's all back to normal. It came out really nice. There was a little crease up here. You saw I took that out as well. So we'll move on to the door now. I'll probably get most of that down through the window. I might glue pull some of that, actually, just how the fender glue pulled so nice and easy. I might do some on that just to get out that deepness, and then we'll get in there with metal rods and tweak the rest out. So let's get going. right, we are all finished up. Everything came out really good, no problems. You know, some of it was a little difficult, but no problems, you know, just working the process as we normally do, and everything worked out nice. I'll show you what we got here. You can see the back door came out good. The front door came out really, really nice. I'm happy with that. I think the customer is really going to be happy with this car. And the fender came out good. So I don't think we're going to have any issues. I think the customer is going to be super excited. So I'm glad it worked out. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you can, like, subscribe to the channel. We'll do more videos. And I have one more to do outside, but we're just going to do that. GoPro's out of battery anyway, so just a little dent in a door. So we'll catch you next time, and we'll see you then.